Here it is. This is the Escape Fitness Multiplyo. Now basically, it's a box. So what could possibly be clever about that? Here's what's so clever. Firstly, this box is designed to be identical to the heights used in the CrossFit games. So if you're new to plyo boxes, this is a fantastic place to start. And if you're an experienced user, wow, it's going to be fantastic for your training towards your goals. Super simple. You just flip the box to create 3 different configurations. Now, as you can see, everything's color-coded and everything's very clearly marked. But why should we get so excited about something which is basically a box? Well, the reality is the clever stuff is all going on inside. What tends to happen with boxes that are just designed out of foam is that on day one, they're perfectly okay. But progressively, you get fade. The product starts to have dents, dips. It pulls out in the middle as the outer foam basically softens and deteriorates. So here at Escape Fitness, we have worked extremely hard to work on our sandwich. In the center, there is a heavy, dense foam. And that basically means that if I fail or get it wrong, the product stays where I need it to be, even though it's got a relatively small footprint. On top of that, there are additional layers of foam that enable the product to be sturdy, but if all goes wrong, soft on the outside. So inside, there is a huge amount of technology and design that, quite frankly, most users are never ever going to think about. But on the outside, it's extremely visual, but very, very practical. We have 2 basic components for the outside surface. Everything here is our B-Tech fabric. Now, B-Tech is a product that we have been using at Escape for over 8 years on all of our boxing bags. So it's clearly a product that's designed to take an absolute pounding day in, day out. In addition to that, the grey surface is a super grip surface. It's the same material that we would use underneath mats that need to avoid slipping and sliding on a shiny surface, maybe like a studio floor. But then what we do, because we work with very, very specific factories in Europe, we're able to create this bond where those 2 materials are actually welded together. So you don't end up with a seam where there's the ability to moisture and for things to peel away. You end up with a welded surface where there is effectively no join visible between the 2 surfaces of the 2 separate materials. So basically, huge amount of technology on the inside, massive amount of thought and technology gone into the outside as well.